So guys, we are finally done with making this telescope. So this is a telescope with 60 mm aperture and 700 mm focal length. So finally it has come to it. The final shape looks something like this, and it looks pretty long, and it's right now mounted on a camera stand. So it looks something like this over here. This is the lens over here, and these are the different parts that we had described it in our previous video. This, and so what I needed to do is I needed to buy two plastic tubes. One is this and the other is this one, and both of them have been joined by using this plastic part which I described in an earlier video. So this is how it looks like. It's pretty long, and I was able to view Jupiter through this, and the Jupiter was appearing like a small white round shape, and one could make out the moons around the Jupiter. They were seen like a small speck of light. There are two or three speck of light. So the bands of Jupiter were not visible. So this is what the final assembled telescope looks like. It was a nice experience assembling it at home, and the view of Jupiter was also great. Albeit without the bands were not visible. Yeah, thank you guys.